The communication is, Hidromas is already established in Indian market. So now it's basically the time from going from strength to strength. So I am hoping this year we will consolidate our position and make more progress in the India market. Also, we have started exporting a lot of materials produced in India, including the European market. So that is the new thing in Hidromas India. And we are now trying to make our customer base all over the world. We are doing quite a good amount of job in Europe, and we want to take that experience out to the other continents as well. See, in India, our journey has been fabulous so far, and with the help of that journey, we have been committed to invest more in Indian market. Over the last 2 years, after the COVID, when we saw the market was really buoyant and there is enough growth opportunity in Indian market, Hidromas management decided to invest in this market. We have modernized our complete plant over the last 2 years, including the capacity of production. We now have a capacity of around 4,500 cylinders a month. So annually about more than 50,000 cylinders we can produce, and we can produce any range of cylinders in terms of in the diameter, in terms of the stroke lengths, so whatever. So we have made our factory ready for the globe. So it's not a capacity only for India, it's also a capacity which is built for the global market. So we are ready for that. Well, the last 2 years, if you talk in precisely, really not been absolutely great because of reasons, various reasons. The market has not been great, but Hidromas always believes in increasing its share, increasing its sphere of operation, the market shares. And we have been really proud to say today all the leading manufacturers of India are now connected with Hidromas, be it Bharat Benz, be it Tata Motors, be it Ashok Leyland, be it V Commercial, be it Mahindra, even the emerging players, particularly the EV manufacturers, we are getting our business connections over there, and we are increasing our numbers, increasing our footprints. So I think whatever we are doing in this couple of years, last 2 years, will give us the dividend in the coming years, and we are looking forward to this exciting market. See, to be in India and to be successful in India, the first thing is you need to have cost competitiveness. And to achieve that, there is only one way. You have to optimize your local content. And in Hidromas, we are really proud to say that we have heavily localized in terms of our raw materials, in terms of our other components, and we have created a great supplier base. We are really thankful to them to help us in this journey, to support us in this journey. So one side is that cost optimization. The other one, we are into the mobile applications. The truck has to work in the different part of the country. It's not in our hand where the truck will go. So we have to be ready for the services. So we now have the biggest network of service, starting from Arunachal Pradesh to Ladakh to Kutch to Kanyakumari, all the places covered, all the major tipping locations covered. We have right now about 50 plus locations, and we are growing. We are growing further. We are going deeper. So once again, in this journey also is not possible without our channel partners. They have been phenomenally supportive to us for our growth. And I think in both ends, on one side the cost optimization, on another side the product support, I think we have taken parallel action on both, and that is taking us through. See, our scope of exhibitions is very limited. We cannot show our product actually on the trucks. That's true. But we are getting into the mining segment in a very deep way. I cannot pre-announce something because of our professional obligations to our client. But be assured, it's not far away. Maybe another 2 months, maybe 3 months. You will see a big announcement of Hidromas' presence in the mining segment.